Hello, welcome back to this channel, Smart Kids Choir. In this video, learning to play one other song with simple 3 chords. The title of the song is "Oh Glory, Hallelujah, His banner over us is low." Let's go. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over us is low. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over us is low. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over us is low. His banner over us is low. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over us is low. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over me is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over me is love. His banner over me is love. Here you can see it is just the simple 3 chords: do, fa, sol, fa, and do. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over me is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over us is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over us is love. His banner over us is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over me is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over me is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over me is love. His banner over me is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over me is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over me is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over me is love. His banner over me is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over us is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over us is love. Oh glory, hallelujah, His banner over us is love. His banner over us is love. Alright, if you have not watched the other videos playing different choruses with these simple 3 chords, do well to watch them and subscribe to our channels, as we'll be uploading more content of this nature. Bye for now.